Now, the French presidential candidate Marine Le Pen has had her immunity from prosecution removed after she shared images of Daesh executions on social media. The move by the European Parliament means the far-right leader can be investigated over 3 graphic tweets in 2015. One showed an image of the beheading of US journalist James Foley. Sharing violent images or inciting terrorism is illegal under French law. Let's speak to TRT World's Craig Copetas, who joins me now. So we know that Le Pen has refused to talk to the police about this beforehand. So what does this now mean for her?
Well, what it means is she's going to get hit with a €75,000 fine, surely, and she's going to get a lot more support in France, because her supporters and those who want to get behind her love it when she's tough with the European Union. So this is kind of a win-win for Le Pen, as strange as that might sound. Welcome to the French presidential election 2017 version.
Yeah, it just gets more bizarre, doesn't it? And it's not the first scandal affecting Le Pen. I mean, she's also facing accusations over the misuse of parliamentary expenses.
Well, it goes actually beyond that. This is the second time she's essentially been censored by the European Parliament. A few years ago, in 2013, she got in trouble for comparing Muslims praying in public to the Nazi occupation of France, if you can believe that. And guess what? The parliamentarians let her walk. She got off scot-free.
What is it about France? What is it about French politics? Why is there just so much scandal, Craig?
Well, the French do it with a lot of style, surely. The French government, the way France works, is still kind of locked in the 18th and 19th century. And there's still a lot of what they call in France the dosage, which is the government allowing elected officials to hire their friends and family, kind of like the friends and family deal when you go to a Marriott hotel. And all these chickens are now coming home to roost with Le Pen, with Francois Fillon, and it's going to continue, and it's going to be one heck of a ride up until the May 7th second round finals. So hang around.
Absolutely. A real roller coaster. Craig, good to speak with you. Craig Copetas in Istanbul there.